What is a carbon footprint? A carbon footprint is total amount of greenhouse gases, especially carbon dioxide, released into the atmosphere due to human activities. It includes emissions from transportation, electricity use, food production, and industrial processes. It is measured in metric tons of carbon dioxide. Think of it like a mark we leave on the environment. The bigger our carbon footprint, the more we contribute to climate change. Why is a carbon footprint important? A carbon footprint matters because greenhouse gases trap heat in the atmosphere, leading to global warming. This warming affects the climate, causing problems such as hotter summers and unpredictable weather patterns, melting ice caps that leads to rising sea levels and flooding. Extreme weather events occurs like hurricanes, droughts, and wildfires. Animals losing habitats due to climate changes. By understanding our carbon footprint, we can take action to reduce these effects. What activities contribute to carbon footprint? Several everyday activities produce greenhouse gases. Driving petrol or diesel cars, flying planes, and using ships that burn fossil fuels. Farming animals, especially cows, releases methane, a potent greenhouse gas. Transporting and packaging food also adds to emissions. Making products like clothes, gadgets, and plastic uses energy and releases carbon dioxide. When waste is not recycled, it ends up in landfills, producing methane. How can we measure our carbon footprint? We can estimate our carbon footprint using online calculators. These tools ask about our transportation habits like car, bike, bus, or plane travel. Eating habits, meat-heavy or plant-based diet. Shopping and waste disposal, how much we buy and recycle. After answering these, the tool provides an estimate. How much carbon dioxide we produce and how we can reduce it. How can we reduce our carbon footprint? There are many simple ways to lower our carbon footprint. Use public transport or walk because walking, cycling, or using buses and trains can reduce emissions. Switch to renewable energy like solar, wind, and hydropower produce clean energy without burning fossil fuels. Save electricity by turn off lights when not needed. Use energy-efficient appliances and install LED bulbs. Eat a sustainable diet by reducing meat consumption and eating local foods reduces emissions from farming and transportation. Less waste means less pollution. Recycling helps cut down on the energy needed to make new products. What are the benefits of reducing carbon footprint? When we lower our carbon footprint, we help the planet and ourselves. It slows down climate change. Less carbon dioxide means less global warming. Using less energy and fuel means lower bills, so we can save our money. Cleaner air and water reduce diseases. It helps animals and plants to survive climate changes. I hope this video helped you. If you find it interesting, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more educational content like this.